how you can make money online. If you are a student, if you are a housewife, and if you are a job holder, and if you want to make money as a side hustle or part-time job. So the opportunity is all over the world. If you have an internet connection and if you have a laptop or computer, you can make money online. Stay tuned. In this video I will show you step-by-step tutorials where you can get a job and how much you can make money, and the process, like the A to Z process, how you can complete the project and how we can submit the job and how we can finally get the money. If you love this content, please don't forget to subscribe and comment, and we have already a playlist. Yes, so if you check out my YouTube channel, you will see the lead generation tools, Fiverr data entry jobs, and YouTube tips and tricks, how to make money on Fiverr. So first of all, if you start doing a virtual job like a freelancing with data entry, a lead generation, so this playlist is gonna help you a lot. You will see the 9 videos there. So today's video gonna 10 videos total. Making money online from home, it's a really crazy thing right now. In 2023, you may hear the lots of freelancers, they are come up with new skills and they are earning lots of money. So first of all, you have to learn or you have to gather a skill, like digital skill. It could be your data entry skill or programming skill or video editing, graphic design. It's a huge industry. So learn skills and sell your services. Okay, so no more delay, just jump into our main topic. Right now I am here Upwork account, and here you can see a job proposal. Okay, I will clear step by step, so don't worry about it. So this is the job title: data miner needed to provide medical spa leads in UK. So this is the job title and you have to understand fast. Okay, posted 22 hours ago, so don't worry about this. It's a example, so you can learn, and after completing this course or these tutorials, you're gonna make your own account and find this kind of jobs. It's available all over the world. Okay, here you can see the worldwide. Okay, so this is the job title, and here you can see the job requirements. So don't worry about this. It could be sometime 2 sentence, 3 sentence, it could be a paragraph, or it could be a long history. Okay, so actually what inside this, like a job description and the buyer background, also their company background, what's the needed, what's the main criteria and the important thing, and the budget, a timeline, and etc. So you should spend a good time to read through all of them. Okay, so don't skip, just step by step read the all of the sentence, what the needs, what they are looking for. If you have a perfect match with this requirements, just click on apply now and share your experience, share your working sheet, share your portfolio, so the buyer can trust you, so can buyer understand you are the perfect person to do this job. Okay, so I will start out with a few sentences. I will read out so that you can understand what is the job. Okay, so read the first 3 sentences. Data miners required to search online and find medical spas and aesthetics clinics in the UK and extract their information from names, personal email address, company Instagram URL, company website URL. So very clear. You have to search and you have some knowledge about how to find the different information on a particular company or any person, any categories. Okay, so that's the requirements. Okay, so you have to create a Google sheet. Here you can see, and 1000 business lists gathered. Okay, and here you can see the amount. So per month you can collect 1000 leads, and for 1000 leads they will provide you 1000 USD dollars. Okay, and potential for ongoing long-term work. That's the important, that's the potentiality of the freelancing. Like, you don't work each and every project. Okay, you don't have, because when you can understand and when you manage your account, when you can deal your buyer, so you can hire other freelancer who can do this project for you. So your role would be that you just taking your project and hire someone else. So that's called the freelancing business. So, and the last of all, here you can see the qualification criteria for the leads are. That's the very important thing. Okay, medical spas and aesthetics clinics in the UK That's the industry we are looking for, and we have to look, and their employees, that's the condition. They must have 1 to 10 employees on LinkedIn. Job title, okay, founder, co-founder, owner, co-owner. That's the 4 job title you have to look after. And email bounce rate must be under 10%. That's mean we have to found this medical spas and aesthetic clinics in the UK, and they have 1 to 10 employees on LinkedIn, and job title it should be founder, co-founder, owner, co-owner, and the email must be under 1%. Okay, that's mean email should be verified. And let's check their fixed price. Already we discussed, already we know that 100 and export. Okay, one time project, no problem. It could be gonna a big project if you can do this project. Okay, so that's the client recent history. You can check this client feedback or client recently task, so that you can trust one client. Okay, so first of all we have to create a Google spreadsheet, and how we can do this. So go to your Google account, and here you can see the Google apps. Click on that, scroll down, and here you can see the sheets. So those are the Google products. It's called Google apps. So this is the Google sheet. Click on that Google sheet. Okay, so first of all it will come up with a blank to-do list. So those are the templates. So we just need a blank template. So click on blank template, and we have to input a name like untitled spreadsheet. So we shouldn't give like this. We would keep a good name like the project title. Okay, so no problem. You can short it, or you can leave it as it. Okay, no problem. So first name, that should be co-founder and co-owner, and also the email address, that should be website, that's mean company website. So we have to collect first name, last name, and oh sorry, so one more thing, we have to add the title. So make sure they are owner, co-owner, or founder. That's why we should input the title, email address, company name, website, Instagram, LinkedIn, employees. Okay, so our spreadsheet is ready. So now we have to start our project, like the searching and information collecting. That's mean we have to search on medical spa and aesthetic clinics. So first of all, our location is UK, and our category industry is medical spa and aesthetic clinics. So first of all we will search on medical spa and businesses. That's the Google Maps businesses, and here you can see the other directory website and many website where you can find the lots of medical spa. First of all we have to remove the spas like the S, and in the UK, so we have to click just London, and here you can see the London UK. You will get different kind of results, but I will not search like this way, because we have to find the founder, co-founder, owner. So that's why I will also modify the search string like, and here you can see the results, 79 results within 59 seconds. Dancy, managing director, Made Spa Agency, and here you can see the director. Okay, so let's open this founder, EF Media Spa. Okay, here you can see the founder. So let's open their company first. So we have to check their profile, also their company, because we have to make sure the employees, the condition is 1 to 10 employees on their. Okay, so here you can see their profile, and 46 employees on LinkedIn. So perfect. So we have to collect their email address. So make sure this person email address is verified. Get prospect, here you can see. So save and show email. So here you can see the email address. Okay, just grab the email address and go to back your spreadsheet. So when we get the email address, when we verified our main criteria, that's mean they are employees, email address. So then our task would be collect the information and copy and paste. That's it. So we have to collect information. That's mean we have to collect the LinkedIn, and employees is 46. So copy the website URL, the paste it here. So we have only left Instagram. So let's check their website and scroll down. If you see any social media link like their Instagram or any other, so here you can see their Instagram page. Just copy the link address and paste it here. So that's how we can collect is leads. That's mean how we can build the 1000 leads. So that's how we're gonna work. way. So I hope you can understand the way where you can find the leads and how we can search on Google, LinkedIn, and there is many ways where you can find the Google Maps and paid tools. Okay, so I hope you guys can understand. This is the very basic thing where you can collect the leads and where you can complete this kind of project and you can earn $100. And at the last of all, how you can deliver this project and how you can share this project. So if you want to share this link, so just click on share, and you can click the copy the link and send to your buyer. Okay, and you can also download this file. Here you can see the download. You can download like Microsoft Excel, PDF, CSV. Okay, so it's depend on the buyer. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you love this content, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will come back with another video for freelancing, money making content and YouTubing, content creation. So stay with me. No more today. Have a good day. Tata. Bye bye.